Well, the wait is over. It's time once again for The Law in You. And joining us today, we have attorneys Molly Clark and Greg Fellerman. Great to see you both.
Great to see you. Thanks for having us.
We're happy you're here to answer our viewer questions, and free legal advice on its way. Let's get to today's question. This comes from Jeff in Pittston. Jeff says, my mom fell in the grocery store and landed on her knee. She has to have her knee replaced. She does not want to sue the grocery store, but she is worried about her medical bills. What can she do? All right, Molly, what do you think?
Well, Jeff, I think what she needs to do is first and foremost let the grocery store know what happened. Hopefully she took some pictures of the area where she fell so we could help her determine what caused the fall. That's very, very important. Documentation is very important in this case, and any kind of photographs, pictures, videos, anything that you might have, witnesses, things of that nature. She can obviously turn this into her insurance company, her medical insurance company, but the grocery store may be willing to pay her medical bills if it did in fact happen there. They're on notice of it and that there was actually some injuries at the store that they can document. Yeah, what do you think, Greg?
Well, I think you're the person with these slip and fall cases, but these cases are tough. And I mean, if you can't establish the liability, you're not going to recover. You know, they're going to defend on, you know, how old was your mother? Did she have a pre-existing knee condition? They will attack your case aggressively, so you really have to dot your I's, cross your T's, and you have to do the work. You know, report it, do the treatment, and, you know, always pictures, statements, witnesses. That's the way to win these cases. They're tough, they're always defended, and, you know, so you have to do that type of work. And if you don't, you know, you're not going to win. And we get a lot of phone calls on these cases, and we don't take a ton of them because of, you know, they are tough to win.
All right, but if you have some more questions, you can reach out by phone. You can find them online or on social media, or stop in. You have several locations.
We do, yep. Philadelphia, Kingston, Scranton. We show up at your house. Whatever you need, pick up the phone. We'll come see you if you need us.
All right, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, thank you so much for your time. If you have a question for The Law, you can submit it at pahomepage.com, or you can give the hotline a call.